Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and if today is your first time of scrolling through and you come through this video, you are highly welcome. My subscribers, thank you guys so much. I do appreciate each and every one of you. In today's video, we are going to be looking at another product from the Fougees beauty collection, and that will be our Molato soap, whichever one you want to call it. So this is our intense super whitening soap, and this soap is mwah. It smells amazing, it works beautifully, it lathers well. You will just love this soap. This soap is super whitening and very effective. Now before I go on, there's something I need to let you guys know. I've seen a lot of people coming to me and saying that they want soaps that is going to give them 10 shade 20 shades whitening without using any lotion or oil, and that is never going to happen. There is no soap that is going to whiten you on its own. No matter how many active we put in it, it is still a wash off product. You are still gonna wash it off. But the good thing about soaps are they really help to exfoliate your skin. They help to brighten out your skin. They help to get rid of dead skin cells and also properly cleanse your skin. It also helps to soften your skin. But if you don't follow up with a moisturizer or an oil or a whitening lotion, then it will dry out your skin. And that's the logic, guys. There's no two ways to it. So when you use this kind of soap, you need to leave it on for between 10 to 15 minutes. If you can do longer, that's fine, but don't leave it overnight, please. Just leave it on for a few minutes, and then you can go into your bath and wash it off, or you can just get your scrubbing gloves and just use it to scrub and just get rid of all the dead skin cells. And hello, beautiful looking skin. Make sure you always follow up with a moisturizer, and if you are an oil lover, you're somebody that loves oil, then make sure you use your oil after. Now we now have a new website. On this new website, we sell skincare ingredients. So if you are someone that likes Molato soap and you don't want to buy the one that is made, you want to make your own Molato soap, or you want to even start selling Molato soap and you don't even know where to start from, I've got you covered. On this new website, I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen. You can shop for all your ingredients. And the ingredients that you are going to be buying are 100% original, natural, organic, whichever one it is that you will get. From your whitening powders to all your raw materials, I got you covered. These are not products that I'm buying from somebody who is buying from somebody. These are products that I am buying directly from the people who actually made them. So let me introduce you to our Molato base. So this is our carrot, papaya, kojic acid based soap. This soap already contains everything you need to make Molato soap or your whitening soap, whatever name you want to call it. It contains all those naked soaps, a lot of very good skin friendly active whitening soaps. It also contains this called this is the Oshapra soap. So this is already in the base. We also have the ozone, the Molato ozone. We also have it in the soap already. So when you are buying the base, you don't need to do any wahala at all. This is also the Oshapra, what is this one called? Pepper Dem soap. This is the Pepper Dem soap. So it's also the color, we match the color to the base. So we have two base. This is another base that we have. This is our glutathione and fruit extract base. So that means this one has the yellow one and other colors. So we still have more base that is coming up very soon, but these are the two base that we have for now. We also have your soap activators, what you can use to activate your soap. All these will be on this website that is on the screen. We have the soap activators in different colors. Here I have the orange, the yellow, the pink, the white. I believe we have the green as well. And also we have a separate one for your black soap, which I will show you when I'm talking about black soap. All these ingredients are all available on that website for you to buy. So if you want to start your own business We've got you covered. If you have any question, you can also send us a message or send us an email, and we will help you towards your skincare journey or towards your business. I have them in wholesale pack, and we made it so easy for you. Like, it's all been shredded into small particles and small tiny particles to make it easy for you to just do at home at the comfort of your home without stress. All you need to this soap is get this, get your activator, and then these two. You cannot make a whitening soap without your whitening oils. So we have our Oshapra oil and our soap whitenizer. This soap whitenizer and Oshapra oil are only for soaps. You can't use this in your skincare products. You can't use it in your lotion. You can't use it in your oil. They are specifically formulated to use to activate your soap. It can be used in black soap. It can be used in any soap you want to use. So if you are interested, the website is going to be on the screen. Go order. The prices are very, very affordable, and they are very, very effective. Like I mentioned, all these products are bought directly from the people that make them. This particular one is not your typical shower gel that you will just buy and use to soak your soap. No. If you want that pasty, gummy kind of soap, you need to get this. This is what gives it that texture. It also helps to regulate the pH of your soap so that your soap is not going to damage your skin. These are effective products. You just need to try to see what I mean. If you use it in your soap, you are changing your soap game like to the next 10 level, because this I'm holding is the secret to this. All this ingredient that I've shown you is the secret to having this effective Molato soap. This soap will help you to clear your dark spot. If you have dark spot on your body, this is going to help you. If you have irritation on your body, this is going to help you. Some of the ingredients are bromelain, which is a powder that is made from pineapple. We use that. We also have papain, which is from pawpaw. We also have kojic, which is kojic acid diplomitate. Then it also contains sandalwood powder, tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and lauracopram, which is also called ozone oil, which is a penetration enhancer. That's why you need to leave this soap on your skin for a while. It also has lovely other ingredients that I've not mentioned, but this soap is super effective. A trial will surely convince you. It's really, really light on the skin. It glows the skin. It exfoliates the skin. And it also cleanses your skin properly. So when you want to use this, make sure you get our whitening oil or any of our lotion and put with it, and you'll believe me, the result you will get will, like, yes, it will even dash me money. I am confident in this soap, and I'm going to bring more products to you. But if you want to know more about what we sell at our raw material website, just head over there right now and check. And I want to give you the assurance that everything you are buying are direct from the manufacturer. All these ones are from Cotonou. They're not the one that I just bought and repackaged any shower gel. No, these are very, 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 very effective. You can add them to your shower gel as well, just to get them to be more effective. And your soap is going to lather beautifully well. You just need to try it, and then you will see that they are very, very effective. If you have been watching till now and you have not been moved to subscribe, now is the time for you to do so. You need to click that subscription button and also the notification bell so you get notified the next time a video is coming from me. You need to share this video with your friends and family. You never know any of them that want to start making Molato soap to sell or to use by themselves. Or if you don't even have the time to make it yourself, just head to fougeesbeauty.com and buy the one that we have already made, or make it yourself. It's entirely your choice, guys. Thank you, guys. Share this video, like this video. Please like this video. Let me know that you enjoyed this video. Follow us on social media, Instagram to be precise, Fougees_beauty, or our new page, which is FB_naturals, where you can get all your natural skincare products ingredients. Until next time, guys, stay blessed.